I'm at my monarch bee conservation area. I'm checking it out. It's been so hot lately, so after a good rain, decided to come and check it out. So I know there's a lot of action on these little bumblebees, and I believe they're workers. So yeah. So which is a good sign. I kind of think they were like dehydrated when it was so hot for them. 'Cause they work a lot. Now, I haven't seen any monarch butterfly yet. So I'm hoping I can see anything here. Yep. It's my go-to spot. Let me see here. Oh, I saw a... Oh, what do you got here? Oh, bear with me here. Come on, camera. Okay. Now, I heard that the monarchs will lay on the freshest milkweed, which means kind of like the little stuff. So if you see the little ones, don't touch them. Oh dear. Well, I'm determined. There we go. It's a little growing over, but that's okay. Oh, I can hear that cicada mating. I think it's it's a cicada mating call. It's around that time of year. Uh-oh. It's been a really, really tough year. Wow. Yeah, and I've noticed, let's see, some of the milkweeds are starting to make the milkweed pods. I know, like last year, some of them monarchs will lay on the milkweed pods, so just keep an eye on that. I did release about 2, a male and a female. The other 2, I don't know what got to them. I think they got sick somehow. So I didn't want to do it, but that's the only way I can do it. They say to freeze them and put them in a container and just freeze them. And yeah, I did not want to do that because I felt really bad. So yeah, I'm hoping people will stop spraying, because that's part of the issue, huge issue. And then you get the parasitic wasp, and then a parasite, or no, what is that called? It's a tachnafly. Now those ones you need to look out for too. So they will, yeah. If you go on my Facebook page, I think you know already. There's a few videos on there that you can learn from. So yeah, I'm hoping it will help you to do so. What do we got here? Yeah, I'm just trying to do a lot more what is that? Okay, I'm trying to do more learning about them than, you know, just, what's the word I'm looking for? Kind of like recharge on my information. Now, these, they like the fresh ones. And, oh my god, look at that. Holy shit. I was right. Ha! Look at that. Let me see. Wow. If you can see that. Oh, I'm gonna change here.